Good morning, mga friends. Lakwatsa tayong yung day off. Punta ako ng Costco. Kukuha ko ng card para pwede na tayo mag-shopping doon. Wala tayong driver, kaya walking lang tayo. Ito, may cleaning. May cleaning, kaya nagkalat ang mga may street sweeper ngayong araw na to. Ayan, ang street sweeper. Ayan. Sasakay tayo ng El Camino Real. Bago tayo dumating ng Kaiser Permanente, baba na doon na yung Costco. Maaga akong lumabas. Kasi kung mamaya pa, makakatulog na naman ako. Tatamarin na naman akong lumabas. So, yun, dun tayo sa bandang yun. Yan. Yan ang Mission Street. Diyan ang Mission Street, diyan tayo sasakay. Diyan ang parang Espanya Street. Daanan ng mga bus. Diyan yung Jollibee. Merong Lucky Supermarket, Starbucks, Cadox. Tapos, lakad tayo. Papunta ng harapan ng Jefferson High School. Dun yung bus stop. Ito mga coaching for for sale, mga second-hand cars. Ito Tesla. Jeep. Doon sa bandaron. Ito yung Jefferson High School. Meron ding grocery dyan, Smart and Final. Kung nakikita ninyo yung bulubundukin na yan, that is San Bruno. San Bruno, parang for natural. Yan, San Bruno yan. Kaya paggabi, parang Baguio kasi may mga ilaw, may mga bahay doon. Ayan o, may mga bahay na dyan, paakyat ang mga bahay. This is the Jefferson. Ito ang bus stop. Nakalagay dyan, ECR, El Camino Real. And then yung bus stop na, ayan, like that. Oh. Yung antay natin is manggagaling doon. Papunta ng Camino. Ito yung Jefferson High School. House of the Grisons. Ito, check natin ang schedule. May 10 a.m., 10:25, 10:40, 10:55. So, kahit anong natin doon. Based sa ECR. So, ECR schedule ng bus. Malapit na. Merong 10 a.m., 10:25, 10:40. Every 15 minutes. Yun ang bus schedule. Kaya antayin natin. Oh, ayan na. Nakikita ko na siya. Parating na yung bus. Doon siya manggagaling sa Daly City BART Station. Doon. Ayan na siya, oh. Parating na siya. Ito na siya. ECR nakalagay. El Camino Real. Papunta siya ng Palo Alto. Ayan, Palo Alto na siya. Thank you.
Palo Alto Transit Center. Please hold on. Approaching Mission Street and Wall Street.
Pag walang driver, pwedeng mag-bus. Isang papupunta.
Approaching El Camino Real and Old Mission Road.
Ayan yung bundok, napapaligiran ang Daly City ng bundok.
Walk sign is
Tapos yan yung bundok. Nandun. Sarang ganda kaya yung bayotin na yan. This one is for team signature. Vitamin D3. Little Kirkland. Salmon and Super C. Ayun. Kaya yung pinamili ko. Yeah. Magpa-member ka, may libreng bags and may rebate siyang babalik yung $65. Libreng bag siya. And may pangalan yan eh. May pangalan siya. Like this. You will get a membership. May bag kang ganyan. Lagay ko natin. May shopping bag na ako. Then bumili ako ng ulam namin chicken. Like this. A nice roast chicken. Tapos, kakain tayo. Wala pa tayong breakfast. Kain tayo ng lalagyan natin yung hotdog. Naglamira na ng ketchup. Hindi ko na-control yung ano niya eh. Pagkuhan. Kung ano-ano lang, oh, $170. Ready. Ito yung bag. Oh. Traveling bag. And that's Costco. Waiting for the bus. Pilinto nga ako ng ganun din. I like that. I like that.
And I guess the old owners of that and they want everything stopped. Girl, give me so much money. Maybe it's not what you tell. But then we went, we took all those like records. I go, well, okay. I told my daughter, no, mama. But at least, there's sometimes you get it. I hope they should continue. They have to work. Yeah, but if they don't have to work next life for 7-11, so that will work. That's what you go. I know one of the ladies there, said she can see $3,000. Like, when you have to retire, it's 9:30, so you can